Hey guys, I want to share a fun video with you today of some of my favorite things. I find enjoyment in surrounding myself with things I love, things that bring me joy and make me smile on a daily basis. So some of my favorite things that I will be sharing with you are items for the studio, things for actual making of art, or things that I enjoy having in my home. I am so excited about this video, so let's get started. The first item I want to share with you is one of my favorite new books, and it is called 9th Street Women. And it is a book by Mary Gabriel, and the story of Lee Krasner, Elaine de Kooning, Grace Hartigan, Joan Mitchell, and Helen Frankenthaler. They were 5 painters who started a movement that changed modern art. And I ordered this book several weeks ago, and I'm just now getting started reading it, so I can't give a full book review. However, what I have read so far, I am thoroughly enjoying. It's a book filled with information about each of these core 5 women, very rich, very detailed, and it's a book that kind of paints a colorful portrait of each of these amazing abstract expressionist artists. So if you are like me and you like to read about art and artists, in my opinion, this is a fantastic book. The next item is art aprons. I am a collector of sorts of art aprons. They are definitely a part of my everyday art uniform, as it were, in the studio. So when I find a new one, one that's fun or unique, I get very excited. And this one is from a company in Vancouver, Canada, and I will spell it Maiwa. And these aprons they're not inexpensive, but they are well worth what you pay for them. They're expertly handcrafted and 100% linen. The unique things about them are they are a little longer. They have nice large pockets in the front. They feature an adjustable button in the back that can be worn open or buttoned. And the fabric is machine washable with gentle soap, and you can hang them to dry. And these next aprons are ones that I found online, and they are just fun aprons to have. They come in different colors. Some of them have pockets and some of them don't. Some of them have nice artsy logos or symbols on the front. And this apron is just a fun, silly apron to have. It comes with lots of different sayings on them, and they're actually called attitude aprons. These are made out of polyester, and they are one size fits most with adjustable straps, so you can customize the fit for comfort. And the last, my favorite apron, is my go-to apron, and it is a black all-purpose, or sometimes called a cook's apron, that is adjustable for fit and length, and it has large pockets on the front. And as you can see, this one has been very well worn, and those are the most favorite kind to have. And most of these aprons are easily found online. The third favorite thing I wanted to share with you today is a Liquitex Freestyle splatter brush. And these brushes can be found in any of your art supply resources, and it's just great to make unique splatter effects. They come in a round and a flat, and they're great to use with not only oil and cold wax, but also with your acrylics and mixed media. This is one way that I use them, is to use them for mark making like this. And also, I sometimes mix some paint, some of the oil paint, and add some Gamsol to make it a little more fluid. And you can pick the paint up on the end of this for actual splatters. For a different type of splatter. But it is a very unique tool to have in the studio. Just a fun brush to add to your supplies. And the last item I want to share with you in my favorite things is this little accent table, which was given to me as a gift, and I just love it. It is an artist palette table with metal legs, and the top is made of wood, and it is a great addition to my studio. I hope you have enjoyed a few of my favorite things, and if you like this video and would enjoy seeing more of my favorite things in the future, please let me know by leaving a comment below. And also, if you have a favorite thing from your studio or one of your art related products, please leave that in a comment as well. Thanks so much for joining me today. Until next time in the studio.